current conditions as you head out the door this morning. Mid-50s for Santa Maria and San Luis Obispo. A little bit warmer for Paso with sunshine in Paso and Santa Ynez, and 58 for Santa Barbara. Definitely some cloudy conditions there. Now, this morning we are tracking some rain showers, especially along the Santa Barbara South Coast area. That rain is starting to move in. We're still dry in Santa Maria and Paso Robles, but check out this storm that's associated with the rain. This is the remnants of Tropical Storm Blanca, and we are looking at this rain moving up through the Central Coast throughout the day. Now, let's take a look at that traffic to see if it's being impacted. It's looking pretty good in Santa Barbara this morning. No major accidents to report at this time up and down the coast. And with our first alert traffic powered by Waze, also seeing good conditions if you are driving through the Lompoc, Mission Hills, or Vandenberg Village area. Coming up after the break, we'll talk more about the timing of this storm and how much rain we could see. Good morning, everyone. Plenty of fog as you head out the door, especially in San Luis Obispo. Look at the foggy conditions as you head out the door this morning on the 101. Drive safely. And with our first alert traffic powered by Waze, we're also seeing reports of vehicles stopped along the shoulder as you head down the 101 southbound out of Orchid. Let's talk about those weather conditions because there is chances of rain in the forecast, and the reason for that, the remnants of Tropical Storm Blanca is moving up the Baja Coast and moving up towards the Central Coast area throughout the day. The rain spanning all the way from El Paso out to Santa Maria. Now let's take a little bit closer look at this. Within the last 6 hours, we've really been seeing the rain move through Los Angeles, out to the Channel Islands. Most of the storms have stayed off the coast of Point Conception, about 70 miles, but we're still looking at chances of rain moving into our area by today. Now, this morning, we're already starting to see that rain moving into the Santa Barbara South Coast area with our live storm tracker Doppler radar. Hasn't quite gotten to Santa Maria or Paso Robles just yet, but there are chances of that throughout the day. Our futurecast this morning by 8 a.m. looking like we'll see those rains along the Gaviota Coast area near Refugio, also in Santa Barbara and the Santa Ynez Valley. As we continue into the lunchtime hour, before then 10:30, still seeing rain, especially for the mountainous areas. You could see a few sprinkles through Santa Maria. Chance of thunder and lightning is also possible with this storm. And then as we continue throughout the day, chances throughout the afternoon, 4:30 around Santa Maria, even in San Luis Obispo and Paso. Then after 6 o'clock into 7 o'clock hour, we start to see things dry out. We'll see dry conditions as we head overnight into Tuesday and into our Wednesday morning. How much rain can we see with this? Well, not a lot of rain, but most of the rain, if it falls, will be in the Santa Barbara South Coast area. Again, the reason for that, the storm starting in the south, moving its way northward, so Paso Robles get the least amount of rain, just about 1/10 in slow, 1/4 of an inch expected in Santa Ynez, and about 1/3 of an inch in Santa Barbara. Now, we could see more rain with this storm if you have a thunderstorm right over you locally, more amounts, but this is about what we're expecting right now. Visibility-wise, definitely seeing fog to start your morning. If you're in Santa Barbara, visibility is down to 3, 2.5 miles in Lompoc, and 10 in Santa Maria and Santa Ynez. Now, temperature-wise for today, 70s for Vandenberg, mid-70s for Santa Maria, still warm in the 90s in Santa Ynez. San Luis Obispo, those temperatures in the low 80s. Still warm in Paso in the 90s. Cooler along the coastline, mid-70s for Napomo. And for the Santa Barbara South Coast, those temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. Here's a look at your extended forecast for the week. We do cool down a bit for Wednesday. Mostly sunny skies throughout the rest of the work week. We warm up a few degrees heading into Saturday and Sunday. And your forecast for the Lompoc area, upper 60s for tomorrow, again with morning clouds and fog to end your work week. Tony, back to you.